In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, first, open your LinkedIn website and log in with your account. Once you're logged in, look for the profile icon, which is usually found at the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on View Profile to access your profile page. Now, scroll down until you reach the Experience section of your profile. This is where all your job roles are displayed. To add your new role, look for a plus icon, which is often located near the Experience title or section. Click on this plus icon and a menu will pop up. From this menu, select the Add Position option. Before you start entering information, take note of a toggle option labeled Notify Network. If you prefer that your connections do not receive updates about this change, make sure to toggle this button off. This step is entirely up to you, depending on how much you want to share with your network. Next, it's time to input your job title. Enter your first job title in the respective field. Then, type the company name exactly as it appears for your first role. It's important to ensure that the spelling and formatting match what is already in your profile to maintain consistency. This recognition can also help give context to your connections about your career path. Now, if you have finished that specific role and want to separate it from your current position, uncheck the box that indicates you are currently working in this role. Moving on, you'll need to enter the start and end dates for that initial position at the company. Accurate dates contribute to the clarity of your experience history, so make sure you enter them correctly. After you've input all necessary information, click the Save button to add this first role to your profile history. You're almost done. To add your new role, click on the plus icon again and select Add Position once more. This will allow you to create another entry for your current role within the same company. Again, type the company name using the exact same spelling as the first position you added. This consistency is essential for maintaining a polished and professional appearance on your profile. Next, enter the start date for your current role. This doesn't require an end date if you're still working in this position. Once all the information looks accurate, click the Save button for the final time. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new role at the same company on LinkedIn. With each step you take to update and enhance your profile, you present a clearer picture of your professional journey. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more instructional content.